To help improve the patient intake process, healthcare organizations can use healthcare fields in their Docusign eSignature accounts. Healthcare fields are predefined field sets for patient data, including patient demographics information, medications, insurance, and more. The patient only needs to fill out a field once, and it will be pre-filled in the future on any forms that they receive from the same Docusign healthcare organization's account. Pre-filling past information makes it easier for patients to fill out lengthy intake, consent, and other medical forms. To begin, log in to your Docusign account. A Docusign administrator can enable healthcare fields in Settings, under Sending Settings. Once the setting is enabled, navigate to the home page and click Templates. Then click New and Create Template. Fill out the template details as you normally would. For example, add a template name, documents, recipient roles, and messaging. Click Next to add fields to the document. To add healthcare fields, click the Healthcare Fields icon. Healthcare field sets are grouped together. For example, in the Allergies field set, the allergy name field is grouped with related fields like adverse reaction. Drag and drop these fields onto the document. A dashed blue border indicates the fields on the document are part of a field group. When creating field groups, ensure correct fields are grouped together to avoid data management issues. To do so, choose the field group in the Field Properties panel. For example, the first group is Allergies 1. To add more field groups, click Edit Values. Then click Add option. Add a value for each field group on your document. If you copy and paste healthcare fields, ensure you update the field group. Once you've added all fields to the document, click Save and Close. To send the medical form to a patient, click Start, then use a template from the home page. Select the template, then click Add Selected. Envelope information is filled out by the template. Complete the recipient and pre-fill information before sending. Add the patient name and email. Then, click Add Patient to choose a patient to enable the document to reuse data from previous documents. Search for an existing patient or click Create New Patient. Once the patient is added, click Send. The patient receives the medical form and fills out the fields to complete signing. The patient has completed the form, and now you need to send them another form that includes some of the same fields. When they receive the new form with the same healthcare fields, the information will be pre-filled with the information they previously filled in the first form. If the patient needs to update the pre-filled information, they can simply edit the field and the new information will be pre-filled on future forms. All healthcare fields relate to an individual patient. You should only send envelopes containing healthcare fields to one patient at a time. You can add other recipients, like the patient's doctor. The Healthcare Fields feature is available for all U.S. customers on Business Pro and Enterprise Pro plans. To provide feedback on the feature, reach out to feedback@docusign.com.